Now, as the size and feel of a home, but the low maintenance nature of a townhouse, and most importantly, we are literally minutes and meters walk away from cafes, from restaurants directly across the road, and Wamberal Beach and Lagoon. 250 metres, 3 minutes walk away from the front door, I'm standing on Terrigal Beach. Wamberal Beach stretching north before me, and behind the cafes, restaurants, all the attractions, and literally metres walk away from the door of 1/7 Ocean View Drive, Wamberal.